Bella has her baby. Yeah, what is that? Key cat? And the buttons? You need some help? Okay, okay. Come here. Hi. What'd you see? You see Daddy out there?
Hey.
Hi, Daddy. You gonna unzip that baby? Oh, where's the mouse?
We're closed.
Oh, she wants to see the mouse.
It basically timed the whole summer. Where's the mouse? And I don't know how many times I needed to go to Otto's mouse, but at least now when I go, it's not on my bike.
Where's the mouse? Yeah, the mouse is inside. Need some help?
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad. You found the mouse. Oh, getting kisses? Can you love that mouse? Oh, love that mouse. Love that baby. Bella loves that baby. Oh. Love that baby.